Struggling to break down large sheets on a table saw? Trouble making straight, accurate freehand cuts? Rip and cross-cut sheets, boards, and panels faster and straighter with the RipSawGuide by Milescraft. The universal design is compatible with any left or right-bladed, corded or cordless, sidewinder or worm drive circular saws, turning them into precision cutting machines. The RipSawGuide makes quick work of repeated cuts from 1 inches to 24 inches. Simply adjust the extended edge guide instead of wrestling with the saw. Precision, laser-etched markings in 1/16 increments along the extruded metal guide rail make setting cut distance easy. For setup, simply mount the saw to the base plate, slide the edge guide evenly against the saw blade, and set the indicator to 0. Finish the calibration by making a test cut and micro-adjusting the indicator on the edge guide in order to dial in perfect results. To ensure that results stay consistent, the RipSawGuide has an all-metal mounting base that reduces flex and play. Integrated anti-slip rubber prevents shifting, while 4 mounting clamps secure the saw at each corner and guarantee a firm hold. Making repeatable, accurate cuts has never been so easy. Save time, money, and achieve better breakdowns while avoid having one with the RipSawGuide by Milescraft. Milescraft, always the better idea.